we have integrated our 5.5G modems to connect the AGVs to the 5G private network. This allows us to control and monitor the AGVs in real time.
In this demonstration, we are connecting 3 vehicles to the edge by 5G. All of them are connected in real time and we are sharing their variables to the cloud. In the first case, we are placing a sensor for sending the temperature, and also we are sending other variables from the MER. And in the second case, we are connecting the white MER and we are controlling it remotely. This is done because we want to have an intralogistic system that we are able to use in the future for new cases.
The allocation of 5G radio spectrum for local use will boost the adoption of private 5G networks in different industry verticals, giving rise to new use cases in the future and fostering research in this area.
5G network includes new features such as 5G LAN and time-sensitive networking. TSN is designed specifically for industrial networks to support higher degree of automation with the security, reliability and mobility that only mobile networks can provide. Cumucore is leading the development of mobile packet core in private networks, working today in 5G with features such as 5G LAN and TSN, but developing already 6G cores.
ASTI, transforming the future together.